An officer observed a Kia SUV passing another vehicle illegally after speeding and crossing the double yellow line on the highway. The officer immediately conducted a traffic stop on the vehicle, but he could have never guessed how it would go down.
Washington at the 32.
How's it going? How are you? I'm Deputy Riley with the Sheriff's Office.
I know you are.
I'm sorry?
I know you are.
You know who I am?
Yes.
How do you know who I am?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Well, I'm stopping you for passing and a no passing. Was there any reason for that?
The guy cut me off.
That guy cut you off?
Yes. I avoided an accident.
So where did he cut you off at?
Right before I seen you.
On a straight road?
Yes.
Did he pull in front of you?
Yes.
Where did he come out from?
I don't know where he came out from. He cut me off, and I had to go out the other lane.
Okay.
To avoid an accident.
Yeah. I didn't see that. How much have you had to drink?
None.
None?
None.
Not that big Bud Light right there?
That's been sitting there since last night.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
None.
Okay.
This is my rental agreement right here.
Okay, perfect. Why don't you step out of the car, come back to my car. We'll talk back in my car. Step out of the car.
First, see that.
Okay, I got it. Let's step out of the car. We'll go back and talk in my car.
Okay.
You don't have any weapons on you or anything?
No.
You mind just lifting your shirt up? Not like that. That's perfect. Come on back here.
Here, I'll take my pants off.
No, I don't want you to take your pants off.
I don't have no weapons.
That's fantastic, sir. I did not ask you to do that. Come back to my car.
You asked me to show you.
Go over there. I just want to make sure you didn't have anything in your waistband, sir.
Well, obviously I don't.
Well, I appreciate it, but I obviously don't need you to pull your pants down here on the side of the highway. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the deal.
What's the deal?
I can smell a heavy odor of alcohol coming from you when you talk. So the odor of the alcoholic beverage, not alcohol itself.
From last night.
Okay. Your eyes are bloodshot. Glasses.
From last night.
Okay. Your eyes are bloodshot and glasses.
Yes, sir.
You're slurring your words.
No, I'm not.
You are 100%.
No, I'm not.
Okay, that's fantastic.
Fantastic.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to ask.
Okay.
Would you be willing to participate in some voluntary field sobriety exercises?
I would not.
Okay, you don't want to...
Why not?
Why not?
Why?
Why would...
Why?
Why what?
Why would I participate?
Well, I'm requesting you to.
I'm not going to request that, no.
Okay, I don't need you to request it. I'm asking you, would you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety exercises? To dispel my belief, you're operating that motor vehicle while you're under the influence of
I am not.
Beverage. Okay. Well, I believe you are.
Well, there you go.
So through my training experience...
Well, that's your training.
And experience.
Okay.
I've been doing this a long time.
Okay.
So...
I've been driving for a long time, 6 to 7 years.
Well, that's fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ask you again.
Yes, sir.
Would you be willing to participate in voluntary field sobriety exercises? Okay, turn around for me.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands behind your back. Yes, sir.
Am I being placed under arrest?
Yeah. Well, don't step up. Yes, you're under arrest for DUI. 100% you are.
No, I am not.
Okay.
I refute this.
You refuse to be arrested?
And they refuse this. I know the commander.
Who's the commander?
The commander. You call him right now and tell him you tell him you pull Frosty over.
Who is that?
Just call him.
Who do you want me to call?
Just call him.
Who? Who am I calling?
The commander of Key West.
Commander of Key West?
Yes. 40 years.
Who is the commander of Key West?
Just call him.
Okay, I don't understand who you're asking me to call.
I'm asking you to call him.
I don't know who that is.
Well, call him anyway.
Call somebody I don't know who it is?
He's your office. He's he is your supervisor.
He's my supervisor?
Yes. Call him right now.
You know his name?
He will know my name.
Who?
Just call him.
You're not giving me a name to call. Do you know how many people that I work for?
There's only one commander.
There's not even a commander at all. That's not even a title.
There's only one, the police chief.
A police chief?
Yes.
Do you see who I work for? I don't work for Key West, Bubba.
Okay, Bubba.
I don't work for Key West Police.
Guess what?
What's that?
Call him anyway.
Call the Key West commander?
Yes.
Let me lock your cuffs so they don't get tighter on me.
How you doing, man?
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm good. Awesome.
The male committed a felony within a minute of being stopped when he exposed his genitals to the officer. He continues to rack up more charges by behaving belligerently and making almost 300 statements threatening to kill or harass the officer's family.
Other than that giant bag of marijuana, is there anything illegal?
There's nothing illegal in that car.
Oh, a giant bag of marijuana is illegal.
There's nothing illegal in that car.
Okay. Do you have a Florida medical marijuana card?
I do.
Did you buy that marijuana at a dispensary?
What marijuana are you talking about?
The marijuana that you open your console and slam it shut because it's sitting right there?
There's no marijuana in my car.
Do you have your medical card with you?
Maybe not.
Okay.
There you go. Go search it.
Okay, which one searching to?
So you don't have weed in the car?
No. If I had some, I would smoke it.
Oh. What was it then? Like tree trimmings? I didn't see whatever he saw. He said
Tree trimmings?
I don't know. He said he saw what looked like marijuana, so it's not marijuana.
He can see whatever he wants. He's a visionary, I'm sure.
Oh, it is it. Gross.
When I get out, the commander is going to your pension, your woman up, your pants house up, and you up, Rudy.
Okay, do you want to take your phone?
Rudy, no, put my phone back where it was. Thank you very much.
Okay, you understand that you're going to be in jail?
Understand? Put the phone back.
He's trying to help you, Walter.
He's a You're nice. He's a What we got to do now?
Go to jail?
Okay.
Step back.
Okay.
I'm not ready to go yet.
There you go. I'm ready to go. Because I'm ready to fuck you up. You like my car? Take my keys. Lock it up, please.
It's gonna. We'll have somebody come tow it.
No. You will not tow my vehicle.
No, 100% I'm towing you.
You will not tow my vehicle.
Okay. All right.
Lock it up. Shut the keys off. Take the key. Shut it off. Everything.
Next question. Next conversation. You have another question?
No, I want you to do that first, and then we.
Well, I'm towing it. So
we're not towing it.
100% it's getting.
We are not towing it.
No, we're not.
We are not.
We're not.
We are not.
I'm towing it.
Well, then you're up.
What? Okay.
Okay. I'm going to take your pension. Now you see why I'm taking this pension?
Well,
I can't.
It's in our policy that we have to tow
Guess
the
what?
car.
Don't say nothing anymore to me because I'll take yours too. Shut up.
Okay.
You think I'm afraid of you? You're a piece of shit. Well, you're the biggest piece of shit, Rowdy, there is. You're a sucking mother. And I go back there and your dog in the ass right now.
It's a boy.
Well, I him in the ass too. Because he would love me because I'm a wolf. I'm a wolf.
I do not think he would like that.
He would like it.
I don't think he would.
I think he would. But I'll the later.
Okay.
And his dog.
Okay.
And his women and his kids probably. I might even his kids.
That's a little weird.
When it's all done. It's weird, but what the he's weird, so I'm also getting weird. As weird as he is, John, I'm gonna his kids.
How are you going to do that?
Well, we'll see how that goes.
Okay.
Hey, you got any females in your family? Does he have females?
I'm not sure.
Well, his kid too.
Okay.
Maybe of course. Or if I don't do it, I'll have somebody else in the ass when he's at high school. Or wherever he's at, college be.
Okay.
Yeah, this is not over, John.
What if it's like an 8-year-old?
Well, I don't care.
Oh, damn.
Well, I didn't get cuffed by an 8-year-old.
Okay.
But an 8-year-old can get Can't they, John?
I'm not sure, man.
I think so.
It's kind of a weird thing to think about, though, to be honest, Walter.
Not really.
Well, around here it is.
Well, he just me, so I'm gonna his kids. You understand?
I didn't hear you.
I'm gonna kids and your children and your wife and your everything else.
All right, cool. And you just earned a felony, another one. Good job.
Get it on, baby.
Good job.
Get it on, baby.
Like 10 minutes.
Get it on, baby.
Oh no, when you talk about
get it on, get it on, baby. I don't want to talk to you.
I didn't ask you to talk.
The male was speaking too big for his mouth, and as it turned out, the Kia SUV in his possession was reportedly stolen in Washington.
You know who I am, do you, John?
No, I don't.
You will. My kids. You got any kids?
What?
You got any kids?
I don't really think that's your business.
I'm gonna them in the ass. If I don't do it, I'm gonna have somebody else them in the ass. Go on. There you go. I want you on the camera to know this.
To know what?
What I just said.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's all you wanted me to know?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
I say my piece.
Station 20 copy.
I'm not a
Farm at Chico Lodge.
I believe you, Walter.
I'm a gentleman.
Okay.
District 6 copy. A reckless driver.
I'm gonna take his pension and kids.
Okay.
I'm gonna have his kids. And this is high school. I'll find out where his kids go to school, and I'll have them in the ass. It only costs like $1,000. Well, it's my right? You can say what I want. It's a free country, right?
There's some things you can't say.
What?
You can't threaten people.
I didn't threaten anybody.
You kind of have, Walter.
I didn't threaten anybody. Maybe you misinterpreted.
I don't think there's any way to misinterpret that you're going to have a black man his kids or that you're going to
probably
kids.
True, but I don't know.
Like, I don't know how other way.
I don't know when will it happen.
You even told me you're going to his kids in the ass. That's a pretty direct statement.
Well,
I don't know.
That's your interpretation.
Yeah, but what other way could you interpret that?
Well, a judge will interpret it differently.
Okay. Well, I disagree with you on that, Walter.
Well, you can disagree with me on what, John?
Agree to disagree.
I'm not a judge.
I know I'm not.
There you go.
I'm not judge, jury, or executioner. I'm
That's
just
right.
a police officer.
Do your duty, John, and shut up.
Okay. All right, we're going to go back to my car, okay, Walter?
Fantastic.
I haven't searched yet.
Okay.
You want me to do your
Yeah. Just walk to the front of my car.
Yes, sir.
Walk up to the front.
Absolutely.
And then just go ahead and widen your stance a little bit. There you go. And just lean like that.
I know the drill.
Okay.
Go ahead.
That's good. Just wait 1 second. We're just got to put on gloves real quick.
You search whatever you want, dude.
I don't want to get my germs on you, Walter.
I have nothing on there.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the back of my car over here.
We all good now?
Other side.
Thank you.
Other side. There you go, Walter. Hey, you don't have anything in your hat besides your hair, do you?
Take my hat. Do it. Take
You
it.
got some long hair, man.
Yeah,
Got some dreads.
it's down to my knees.
All right, go
You don't know
ahead.
who you're with.
Okay, well.
You have no idea.
Okay, just take a seat for me.
Of course. I'll be out tomorrow morning.
Okay.
And that guy will be dead
Okay.
in 6 months.
Sounds good, Walter.
There you go.
Don't put your hat right here, okay?
Well, you can put me down that he'll be dead in 6 months.
All right.
I don't give a
All right, I'm gonna close
Go
the door.
ahead.
Watch your leg, okay?
Yeah.
The male was taken to a jail facility for the preliminary breath test. The stolen Kia was towed, and the officers also found in his possession more than 20 grams of marijuana in edible form.
What's your current address?
It's on my license.
Do you still live in...
It's on my license.
I'm asking, do you still live in...
License.
Okay. So, okay.
It's on my license.
All right, do you have a current address?
It's on my license.
Like, do you have a current address?
It's on my license.
Okay. Do you live there?
It's on my license.
Sorry, I'm asking a very direct question. Do you
I
live
just
at that-
answered you very directly. It's on my license.
That's not my
Are you a
question.
idiot?
That's not my question.
My question answer is, are you a idiot?
Do you have an address?
I just answered you 5 times.
Do you live at that address? Is my question.
That's none of your business, is it?
It's 100% my business.
No, it isn't.
I'm asking for information that I need to complete your citation.
It's none of your business, sir.
I'm asking for information.
It's none of your business, sir.
Okay, sir, I need your address.
It's none of your business, sir.
We'll try to add that one again.
It's on my license, idiot. Well, I just answered you 5 times. Now you're just an idiot. Don't you understand? It's on the license.
All right.
My license will be submitted for a year. He's got 6 months to live. Think about that, John. He'll be dead before my license comes back. Isn't that funny? I think that's funny, John.
Yeah.
In 6 months he'll be dead. It doesn't matter, John. Does it? Does it really matter? It doesn't matter, John. I can be on a boat in the ocean and kill him right here. And he'll be in your front driveway. And he'll be dead. And I'll be in the Virgin Islands. You see, I know you're filming right now.
Mm-hmm.
I know that. And it's audio and visual. And guess what, John? I'll be out of the country. Right after I kill him, you won't find me in the world. I have a passport. I got many passports.
I wish I could do.
You have no idea, John, who I am, do you? You still do not know who I am. And you will find out when that motherfucker's dead. Then you'll say, that dude was for real, and I didn't listen.
Mm-hmm.
There you go, John. Because that motherfucker is dead. Hey, do I get dinner? I'm hungry. You said I get dinner, John.
Yeah.
Where's my dinner at?
It should be here anytime soon.
Okay.
I think they do it.
I'm hungry,
8
man.
o'clock, so it'll be.
You know, talking death really makes me hungry.
I feel you, man. Me too.
Yeah. You know, if I kill 5 people, I get really hungry.
We were there for 5 minutes left now. We are advising 2 or 3 vehicles are driving up and down the street. One possibly dark SUV with the landline.
Oh, with them? Yeah.
Stand up. Hold your arms out a little bit. Hold your hands out a little bit.
Hurts, dude.
5113, I'll be around for that.
Oh, shit.